Alright, so ito ang movie review natin for the movie Spider-Man, Brand New Day. And masasabi ko lang, given it is a sequel and medyo naka-go through tayo, maka-move on tayo dun from what happened in the um, No Way Home ata if not mistaken, yung kasama si Doctor Strange. Well, cinematography-wise, yung paggamit ng mga flip, yung camera sa loob ng mask, and even yung mga slow-mo na showcasing yung um, cover ng mga comics, I gave it a 9. Just because of the Easter eggs, just because of the movements and yung ano niya, I'll give it a 9. Bakit hindi 10? What they did with a specific character is something na hindi ko mabigay hindi ko mabigay ng 10. Though it is interesting what they did, and it is something na talagang na-excite din ako or naku-curious ako anong puwede nilang gawin next dun sa character. But then again, um, that's not the main reason I cannot give it a 10. 9, actually ang initial score ko 8. But after the Easter eggs left and right, and then mga callbacks, mga cameos, I gave it a 9. Also, yung paggamit ng cinematography na 'pag naka-flip si Spider-Man is posisyon ng mga tao. Kaya na-curious ako sinong director, na-curious ako sinong sa cinematography kasi para sa'kin maganda yung pagkakagamit sa cinematography. But then again, of course, not everyone would agree with me. And well, ang pinanooran naming lugar, eh, talagang hiyawan ng mga tao at ang sisigawan sila at ano, hype hype na hype yung everyone. But yeah, 'pag hindi ka sanay sa mga gano'ng crowd, maba-bad trip ka, eh. Pero kung okey naman sa'yo, saka first time ko manood na hindi nakasagad sa likod, hindi naman first time, pero I mean, madalas nasa likod kasi ako. Pero okey naman yung posisyon namin, hindi naman siya masakit sa leeg. Nakapanood pa naman, and surround, kahit papaano surround sound pa rin. Pero I would really try next time sa ibang Dolby Atmos ang surround sound, tapos ta-try kong hindi nakasagad sa likod, siguro two rows below. But anyway, yun lang, fast and quick interview tuloy. Fast and quick review sa ating Spider-Man Brand New Day.